In a small village nestled between rolling hills and a crystal-clear river, there lived a woman named Elara, known for her kind heart and gentle spirit. Elara had spent her entire life in this village, caring for others and spreading joy wherever she went. Elara's days were filled with the simple, yet fulfilling tasks of tending to her garden, helping her elderly neighbors, and sharing stories with the children who adored her. Despite her happiness, there was a quiet longing in her heart. Elara had never known the love of a family, having lost her parents at a young age and never having children of her own. One crisp autumn morning, while gathering herbs near the riverbank, Elara heard a faint, desperate mewing. Following the sound, she discovered a tiny, shivering kitten trapped among the reeds. Without hesitation, she scooped up the fragile creature and brought it home, nursing it back to health with the same care she showed everyone in her life. Elara named the kitten Luna, and as the weeks passed, Luna grew strong and playful, filling Elara's cottage with a new kind of warmth and companionship. The bond between them deepened with each passing day, and Elara found a profound sense of fulfillment in caring for Luna. One evening, as Elara sat by the fire with Luna curled on her lap, a knock echoed through the cottage. Opening the door, she found a young boy standing in the cold, clutching a worn-out blanket. His name was Erin, an orphan who had wandered from a nearby town in search of shelter and food. Elara welcomed Erin into her home without a second thought. She fed him, clothed him, and gave him a warm bed to sleep in. Over time, Erin became a part of Elara's life, and she taught him all she knew about gardening, cooking, and the beauty of nature. As the seasons changed, Elara, Erin, and Luna formed an unbreakable bond. The once quiet cottage now echoed with laughter and love, and Elara's heart was fuller than she had ever imagined. The village, too, embraced Erin as one of their own, marveling at the way fate had brought these three souls together. Years passed, and Erin grew into a kind and capable young man, always remembering the love and care Elara had given him. Luna, though older, still brought joy to their home with her gentle purrs and playful antics. One winter's night, as snowflakes danced outside their window, Elara felt a deep sense of peace. She looked at Erin, who was reading by the fire, and Luna, nestled contentedly beside him. She realized that the love she had longed for had found its way to her in the most unexpected and beautiful way. In that moment, Elara knew that family wasn't defined by blood, but by the connections we make and the love we share. And with that realization, her heart overflowed with gratitude for the life she had built, a life rich with love, laughter, and the warmth of a home filled with cherished memories.